In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a camo pattern online using the MockoFun free camouflage pattern generator. With this tool you can create your own camo pattern, customize the colors and size, then download the digital camo pattern as a JPEG or PNG image. Find the link to the camouflage pattern generator template in the description below. Click on the button that says, "Use this template," and wait for the camouflage designer to load. Open up the Layers panel. The camouflage texture has two layers, an overlay and a base layer. If you open up the base layer and go to Filters, then open up the Duotone filter, you can change the two colors of the camouflage texture to blue and green camo colors. To further customize the camouflage pattern, open up the base layer and go to Filters. Open up the Clouds filter and change the scale value. This will adjust the size of the camouflage texture. You can also change the shape of the camo pattern spots, changing the randomize value. By default, the camo pattern image has 800 by 600 pixels, but you can easily resize it. First, change the canvas width and height. Then, select the camouflage patterns and drag the corner to resize it to the new size of the canvas. It's a good idea to save the camo pattern by clicking the Save button. This will allow you to keep the camouflage created in MockoFun, so you can update it later. If you want to create a military camouflage texture, it's as easy as changing the colors just like before. I think this army camouflage pattern looks great. I'll save the image by clicking the download button. So, now you know how to make your own custom camo pattern online using the best camo pattern generator, MockoFun.